Hello, third graders. So today what we are going to do is we are going to start the next book we're reading. It's called The Name Jar, and it's by Yang Suk Choi. And our skill today is that we're going to be answering text-based questions. So here's a little activator for you. I want you to answer the following questions using the sentence frame. What is your name and what is your favorite color? Make sure you use the sentence frame, so I want you to type the whole sentence. My name is blank and my favorite color is blank, and then a period. So for instance, my answer would be, my name is Mrs. Ronk and my favorite color is blue. So take a second and answer that question now. So let's move on. Here are objectives for today. Our content objective is that I can answer text-based questions based on a read aloud and show where in the text I found my evidence. And our language objective is that I can answer a text-based question in a complete sentence. That's a really important third grade skill. We need to make sure we're always writing in complete sentences. Our vocabulary, our first vocabulary word is Korea, and Korea is a country in Asia. So if we look at the map right here, Lynn, where we all live, is right around here in North America on the Atlantic Ocean. Korea is this red spot over here all the way in Asia. The Korean characters are the writing system for the Korean language. So instead of using the same letters we use, they have little symbols or pictures that represent their words. Nervous is when we show feelings of being worried or afraid. For instance, I'm usually nervous on the first day of school. I'm always excited, but I'm a little bit nervous too. To blush is when your face starts to turn a little bit red. Your cheeks may start to turn a little bit red if you're embarrassed or scared about something. And evidence, this is another big third grade skill. We always use proof from the text that support our answer when we're answering text-dependent questions. Here's our first page of The Name Jar by Yang Suk Choi. Through the school bus window, Yoon-hee looked at the strange buildings and houses on the way to her new school. It was her first day, and she was both nervous and excited. So here's our question. It says, how is Eun-hee feeling on her first day of school? Underline your evidence in the text. Now, since I'm in third grade, I always like to go back and reread what I read to make sure I have evidence from the text. So it says, through the school bus window, Eun-hee looked out at the strange buildings and houses on the way to her new school. It was her first day, and she was both nervous and excited. So look, I have my highlighter, and I'm going to underline. I'm going to underline, so I'm going to use my pen. How was Eun-hee feeling on her first day of school? It was her first day, and she was nervous and excited. So I have my sentence frame, so I'm going to type, Eun-hee was feeling nervous and excited on her first day of school. I make sure I have a capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. So now it's going to be your turn. You're going to click to the next slide and get to class kick. You're going to hear some pages being read and answer questions on your own. Good luck.